welcome to Precious Famjam. It's a holiday season and I have a surprise for you. Here you go. It's a kitty and it has a kitty backpack which is so fluffy. And there's also a doll and some mirror and a pillow and a blanket.
Oh, so it's a compact bedroom.
I'm going to open it today.
Let's open it.
I'm excited.
Yay! So what did you get in that pack, Prisha?
I got pillow, I got shoe, blanket, mirror, comb.
That's a kitty comb.
A kitty comb and also a doll.
Hey, that doll is so beautiful.
Her hair is longer than me.
Wow, I like her hair. What color is that?
Purple and black.
What's your favorite color?
Pink, blue, purple, black.
Oh wow, is that a squishy doll or a hard one?
Like squishy.
Oh yeah, okay. And what is that thing here?
A backpack. Can I wear it on?
Hey, is that a backpack or
Yeah,
a
I'm gonna
bedroom?
A bedroom and a backpack.
Really? That's so exciting.
I'm gonna, yeah.
Is it heavy? Hey, that's a zipper or a lock?
A lock. I'm gonna open it now.
Yeah.
Okay. One. Wow.
What is that inside? It's a velvety soft bed.
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do now?
I'm gonna put it here and I'm gonna set up everything.
Do you have an instruction booklet, Prisha?
Yep.
Wow, let's assemble this bedroom come bag.
This is the closet, and this is the hanger, and the mirror. So these are her shoes. Her shoes have to be over here, and this is the hangers. The hangers have to be over. Oh, I have to put this on first. Okay, let's put it on. Okay, now put the hangers on. Let's put the big hanger on first. Yeah. And the small hangers. 1 and 2. This is the big hanger and this is the small hangers. So I'm just gonna put them apart so they can, so the clothes don't get messed up. These are for doll dresses.
What is that silver part over there?
That's a drawer.
Oh wow. And what is inside that?
Dolls can put her makeup, her comb, and her perfumes. I'm gonna put this in and pop it in and put it in here. And then I'm going to set this up over here. And I'm gonna put this pillow over here. And I'm going to put the blanket like this. It's so soft blanket.
You like that one?
Yep. Okay, let's put it in now.
So the doll can be comfy, right?
Yep. Okay, so let's put her shoes over here.
That's a nice organization, Prisha.
Thank you.
I like it.
This is a mirror and she's going to come and look at it. Look if she's beautiful. La, 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 la. Ew, I like my face. So I'm going to put it over here, right beside her thing, right beside her bed. And I think she wants to sleep now. She will go and sleep. First of all, she's going to go and change into her pajamas. She's going to change into her done changing. And now she's ready to sleep. Brush her teeth now. So she's brushing her teeth. Now let's do her gargles. Yeah. Okay, now she's all clean. Now let's go put her on bed. Now I want to go to sleep. Good night, Mommy. Good night, guys. I'm going to hop on the bed. Take her blanket off. Put her on the pillow. And then she's ready to sleep. When you put her blanket on, okay. Just pop it. Okay, there you go. Now she's sleeping. Now it's time to wake up. Okay, let's wake up. And this is so soft and round. I want to put her thing back on.
Oh, so you're organizing, making her bed again?
Yep. She have to, when she always wakes up, she have to clean her bed.
So what's the first thing that we do in the morning?
We make her bed. Put my shoes on. Yeah.
I like her shoes.
Thank you. Okay. I think we have to pop her. Okay, let's pop it in. Now her other feet. Okay. Let me go bring my comb from the door. Load her back up. Let's comb her hair, Brady.
That's her mirror.
Yes. Brush, brush, brush here. Brush, brush, brush here. Now let's put it back where it was. Let's open the door. Okay, let's close it back up. Then I want to pack up and make it a backpack.
Hey.
Put it all in pocket.
Okay.
I'm going to put the mirror here first. And then I'm going to put the bed over here. And then I'm going to put the pillow. Then the blanket. I'm gonna fold it. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to put the doll here. Wash. Okay, now I'm going to hold it. Now I packed it all up. I'm going to wear it as a bag.
Hey, that's a nice bag.
I'm gonna wear it at school every day.
Really?
Yeah, if you want to watch more videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.